The Airbus A380 is the largest passenger aircraft in the world, a true icon of modern aviation. But have you ever wondered how much it actually costs to operate one of these giants? In this video, we'll break down the massive expenses behind a single A380 flight. From fuel and crew salaries to maintenance and airport fees, you'll see why even major airlines like Air France and Thai Airways couldn't sustain the A380 in their fleets. We'll use a specific example, Emirates Airlines and its longest A380 route, from Dubai to Auckland. The following figures have been researched from multiple sources and may vary over time. If you notice any inaccuracies or have updates, please feel free to leave a comment below. Number 1. Fuel costs. Fuel is by far the most significant operating expense for any long-haul aircraft, and the Airbus A380 is no exception. On a typical 15.75-hour journey from Dubai to Auckland, an Emirates A380 consumes approximately 189,000 liters of jet fuel. With average Jet A1 prices hovering around $1 per liter, this translates to a staggering $189,000 in fuel costs for a single flight. Given the aircraft's 4-engine configuration and massive takeoff weight, the A380's fuel consumption is substantially higher than that of more modern twin-engine alternatives. This cost alone can account for nearly 60% of the total operating expenses on such long sectors, underscoring one of the primary challenges in sustaining regular A380 operations on long-haul routes. Number 2. Crew salaries. Operating an Airbus A380 on an ultra-long-haul route like Dubai to Auckland requires a sizable flight crew, both on the flight deck and in the cabin. Emirates typically assigns 4 pilots, 2 captains and 2 first officers for this 15.75-hour journey to ensure regulatory compliance with rest periods. Captains earn an average of $150 per hour, while first officers earn about $100 per hour. For the full flight, total pilot wages amount to approximately $7,875. Accompanying them are 25 cabin crew members, each earning around $35 per hour, which adds up to approximately $13,781.25 for the entire cabin crew. Combined, total crew salaries for this single flight reach approximately $21,656.25. This figure reflects not only the aircraft's large passenger capacity, which demands more attendance, but also the premium service levels that carriers like Emirates are known for. Number 3. Airport and navigation fees. At Dubai International Airport, Emirates benefits from infrastructure specifically designed for the A380, including Concourse A, which was developed at a cost of $3.5 billion to accommodate the super jumbo aircraft. While Emirates has stated that it pays standard user charges comparable to other airlines at DXB, the exact landing and handling fees are not publicly disclosed. Upon arrival at Auckland Airport, the A380's size necessitates the use of specialized facilities, contributing to higher landing and parking fees. Additionally, the flight incurs navigation charges over multiple airspace regions, including those of the Middle East, Asia, and Oceania. While specific fee structures vary and are subject to bilateral agreements and regional regulations, the cumulative cost for airport and navigation services on this route is estimated to be in the range of $35,000 to $50,000 per flight. These fees represent a significant portion of the operational costs and underscore the financial considerations airlines must evaluate when deploying large aircraft like the A380 on ultra-long-haul routes. Number 4. Maintenance and depreciation. Routine maintenance expenses for the A380 can vary widely, ranging from $5,000 for minor checks to as much as $25 million for extensive D-checks, which are comprehensive overhauls conducted every 6 to 10 years. On average, maintenance costs are estimated at $1,000 to $2,000 per flight hour. For a 15.75-hour flight, this translates to approximately $15,750 to $31,500. Depreciation is another substantial expense. The Airbus A380 had a list price of around $445 million. Assuming a 20-year service life, the annual depreciation would be approximately $22.25 million. equating to about $60,959 per day. For a single flight, this results in a depreciation cost of roughly $60,959, considering one flight per day. Combining maintenance and depreciation, the total cost for a single 15.75-hour flight is estimated to be between $76,709 and $92,459. These figures underscore the significant financial investment required to operate and maintain the world's largest passenger aircraft on long-haul routes. Number 5. Catering and in-flight services. Emirates is renowned for its exceptional in-flight dining and services, particularly on its flagship Airbus A380 aircraft. The airline operates one of the world's largest airline catering facilities, Emirates Flight Catering, capable of producing over 225,000 meals daily. For a typical A380 configured with 14 first class, 76 business class, 56 premium economy, and 338 economy class seats, the catering cost per passenger can be estimated as follows. For first class, 14 passengers at $150 each brings a total of $2,100. For business class, 76 passengers at $100 each totals $7,600. For premium economy, 56 passengers at $50 each comes to $2,800. For economy class, 338 passengers at $30 each amounts to $10,140. These figures encompass not only the meals but also the extensive range of beverages, including premium wines and spirits, and other amenities provided to passengers. Emirates' commitment to high-quality catering and in-flight services significantly enhances the passenger experience, reflecting the airline's dedication to excellence. Number 6. Insurance. Insuring an Airbus A380 involves substantial costs due to its high value and the potential liabilities associated with carrying a large number of passengers. The insured hull value of an A380 is typically between $280 million and $300 million, reflecting the aircraft's significant replacement cost. Annual insurance premiums for such aircraft can range from $50,000 to $100,000, depending on factors like the airline's safety record, fleet size, and coverage specifics. For a single long-haul flight, such as Emirates' 15.75-hour journey from Dubai to Auckland, the apportioned insurance cost is relatively modest when distributed across the numerous flights operated annually. Estimating conservatively, the insurance expense per flight could be around $5,000, accounting for hull insurance and liability coverage. While this figure represents a smaller fraction of the total operating costs, it remains a critical component, ensuring financial protection against potential risks associated with operating the world's largest passenger aircraft. Number 7. Miscellaneous and overhead costs. Operating an ultra-long-haul flight like Emirates A380 service from Dubai to Auckland involves several ancillary expenses beyond the primary cost categories. These miscellaneous and overhead costs encompass ground handling services, including baggage handling, aircraft towing, and ramp services at both Dubai International Airport and Auckland Airport. Crew accommodations and allowances, covering hotel stays, meals, and per diems for the flight and cabin crew during layovers. In-flight amenities, costs associated with providing pillows, blankets, headphones, and other comfort items for passengers. Cleaning and restocking, ensuring the aircraft is cleaned and restocked with necessary supplies for the return journey. While these expenses can vary based on contractual agreements and regional costs, a conservative estimate for miscellaneous and overhead costs on this route is approximately $10,000 per flight. Total operating cost and cost per passenger. Operating an Airbus A380 on ultra-long-haul routes like Emirates Dubai to Auckland service entails substantial expenses across various categories. Fuel costs, approximately $189,000, based on an average consumption of 12,000 liters per hour over a 15.75-hour flight at $1 per liter. Crew salaries, around $21,656.25, accounting for 4 flight deck crew members and 25 cabin crew members over the duration of the flight. Airport and navigation fees, estimated at $35,000, covering landing, takeoff, and air navigation charges at both Dubai and Auckland airports. Maintenance and depreciation, approximately $76,709 to $92,459, combining routine maintenance costs and aircraft depreciation per flight. Catering and in-flight services, totaling $22,640, based on per-passenger catering costs across first, business, premium economy, and economy classes. Insurance, estimated at $5,000 per flight, covering hull insurance and liability coverage. Miscellaneous and overhead costs, around $10,000, encompassing ground handling, baggage processing, crew accommodations, and other ancillary expenses. Assuming a full passenger load of 484, the cost per passenger equates to approximately $743 to $779. Based on current fare data, Emirates ticket prices for this route vary depending on the class of service. First class is approximately $8,000 per ticket. Business class is approximately $4,500 per ticket. Premium economy is approximately $3,000 per ticket. Economy class is approximately $1,750 per ticket. Using these estimates, the total revenue per flight would be: first class has 14 seats, which brings in $112,000. Business class has 76 seats, which totals $342,000. Premium economy has 56 seats, which comes to $168,000. Economy class has 338 seats, which amounts to $591,500. Total estimated revenue reaches $1,213,500. Considering the previously estimated operating cost of approximately $343,885 for this route, the potential profit per flight could be around $869,615. It's important to note that these figures are estimations, and actual revenues and profits can vary based on factors such as seasonal demand, operational costs, and ticket pricing strategies.